Good morning to all peoples of Tripura, and I want to thank first of all to social media and electronic media for joining us, for helping us to reach our voice to the all people of Tripura. Today, on 23rd August 2022, there was a mass gathering in Manikpur Bazaar under leadership of our beloved Bubagra for joining program, and there was a joining of our MDC BJP opposition leader Sri Hongso Kumar Tripura. He joined on that day, and peoples from different places like Manikpur and Chamanu, Lalchora, and they are in Choilengta, Mono, under 49 ST constituency. There was many people who have joined under leadership of Sri Hongso Kumar Tripura on that. But on 24 August 2022, at Manipur BJP office, they have released a press conference through social media that the joining program which was happened in Manipur Bazaar on 23rd August, it was totally wrong. They have allegation of that. Today we are here for clarifying the matters. Actually, on that day we all have been there in joining program, and it is crystal clear that how much people was gathered in Manipur field. That we all know, that we have seen, and now what they have said is totally wrong, and we hope all the peoples of Tripura will understand and will believe by seeing the picture of the program. Under leadership of Maharaja, there was thousand people. Many peoples came for seeing our Maharaja for joining program and gathering here. And what they have alleged as that the joining program false is totally wrong. And I hope through social media they will get the message. All the Tripura people will get the message that the joining program was totally right. We have been there, and it is 100% true that peoples who what we have mentioned during the program is totally right, and all the people have been joined through that program. On that day, during joining program, from different places like Manikpur, Chamanu, Choilengta, and Lalchora, Moinama, total family who have joined us is 3,112 family, total family, and total voter was 6,500, and they have already alleged
constitution ni bisingo samno totha samne 49 ni bisingo joto chini 24 ta bisini borok phai join ruphai jagoro o kawrong na khna gai borok ni sei kawrong na khna gai chung wana na ni krei bakha baina ni kokrei borok o kawrong no borok ruksana na nongthok chungno chini je ideology महाराजा ने ideology ना हमजागे जे सामंग तांगनाने फाइनाइ रंगनो बरंगनो विभिन्न भावे कोले कुशले विभिन्न कुचक्रांत एवं विभिन्न चक्रांत खाइनाने बरक चेष्टा खाइतंगो ओ जिनिस रंगनो जों तिप्रा माथा पक्क हइते सिनेंगो जों बुना हमजागिया एवं जों बुना चाजागिया बरंगनि कग्रंनो जों हमजागिया गै जों जे तिनि इरगो बुनि बागैनो जों बादंगै फ्रेशमेट बा कक थाइसा थाइनै सानानै जों मा फायखा कारण जोंनि सारा त्रिपुरा राज्यनि जोंनि तिप्रासा नि जे सामुं तांनानै हिंगै जारा महाराजानो लगे लगे फायनानै हिंगै समाय तांगै फायनाय रंनो बरंनो बिभ्रान्त भावे बरक बिभ्रान्त खायनानै चेष्टा खायतंगो अबनि बागै जों बरंनो सिनेंगो अबनो सागैनो जोंनि जे सारा त्रिपुरा राज्यनि 13 लक्ष जनगण बा जोंनि तिप्रासा जातिनो दफानि बागै बरकनि उमुते हाय कग्रंनो जों खोनायागै दफानि बागै सामुं तांनानै जों थानथियाखैयै जे महाराजानो लगे दोनानै अंथ हिंगै आं इ कक थाइसा थाइनि खोसारंमं इरनो सेसखायका जतनो हामबाय जतनो खुलुमका।
Uram no koktomarogo kasai phayo kamiam chete Tipra sarok drugs bai kubuljak drugs amani manjago phiaba koktoma thumnai rok salbusuk amhaike koktoma sanamnai phiaba koktoma sanamma bai simi hodao amhai hamia bemar drugs bai kubuljak rokno yakagri manglak kamini borrokno palbaksake nini kamio amahai hamia bemar bai kubul tongnai drugs sawi tongnai rokno naituk kariui phirokmung rina nangnai amono joto kamini lokoroni thani koimung chini koktomani phasingtei. Bureau report Koktoma Express.